Hi everyone, a warm welcome to the sociology classes. Today, after a long gap, we are going to start our preparation for semester 2. So in our semester 2, we have our first chapter, that is chapter 5, Tribal India. We all have a small amount of idea regarding what are tribes and who are tribes. But let's get into the definition first. Tribe is our social group having many clans, nomadic, and other subgroups living on a definite geographical area but having separate language and singular culture. ठीक है क्या है? Tribes is a group of people which have different clans. Clans means different family background. So they have separate clans but they live on a definite पर्टिकुलर जोग्राफिकल एरिया. हम कहीं पे भी ट्राइब्स नहीं मिलते, ठीक है. पर्टिकुलर किसी जोग्राफिकल एरिया पे ट्राइब्स देखा जाता है और उन लोग का डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज होता है और सिंगुलर और डिफरेंट कल्चर होता है. हर एक ट्राइबल ग्रुप का सेम कल्चर और सेम लैंग्वेज नहीं होता, उन लोग का डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज होता है. आई विल बी डिक्टेटिंग वन मोर डेफिनेशन. यू कैन कॉपी इट इफ यू वांट टू राइट इट इन योर एग्जाम्स. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू इंपीरियल गैजेट्स ऑफ इंडिया, tribe is a collection of families bearing a common name, speaking a common dialect, occupy a common territory, and is not usually endogamous, though originally it might have been so. Okay, so you can copy it down if you want to write it in your exams. Next, we come to the features of tribes. Number 1, which is very common, is unity and self-sufficiency is the nature of tribes. ये चीज हम लोग मूवीज में देखे होंगे कि अगर कोई ट्राइबल लड़की को सिंगल, ठीक है, उसको अगर कोई अटैक किया तो वो लोग सिंगल ऑपोजिशन नहीं करते. द ट्राइबल पीपल गेट टुगेदर एंड दे ओपोज. ठीक है, वो लोग एक साथ लड़ते हैं, कभी अकेले नहीं लड़ते. ठीक है. नंबर 2 इज फैमिली इज कंसिडर्ड एज द यूनिट. उन लोग के लिए फैमिली इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. फैमिली इज अ इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इन देयर कल्चर. ठीक है. नंबर 3 इज ट्राइबल पीपल पोजेसेस कॉमन टोटेमिक एंसेस्टर. रिगार्डिंग टोटेमिक, आई हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट टोटेमिक इन प्रीवियस वीडियोस, इन प्रीवियस चैप्टर्स. यू कैन रेफर टू देम इफ यू वांट. ठीक है. दे हैव टोटेमिक एंसेस्टर्स. नंबर 4 इज geographical territory plays an important role. Tribes constitute themselves depending upon the nature of the territory. जहाँ पे अच्छा लोकेशन होता है वहाँ पे वो लोग जाके रहते हैं, वहाँ पे प्लान करते हैं कि हाँ यहाँ हम रहेंगे. ट्राइबल पीपल ऑलवेज डिपेंड अपॉन द जोग्राफिकल टेरिटरी. ठीक है. देन नंबर 5 इज ऑक्यूपेशन, विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर देम. ऑक्यूपेशन ऑफ ट्राइब्स डिपेंड अपॉन द नेचर ऑफ लैंडस्केप and geographical features of the territory. Because उन लोग का occupation कहता है usually gathering, hunting, ठीक है, foods gathering, husbandry, ये सब के ऊपर वो लोग अपना काम चलाते हैं. Definitely occupation is very important for them and ये occupation किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है? Geographical landscape पे. क्योंकि अगर वहाँ पे अगर खेती ना हो तो वो लोग कहाँ, मतलब अगर वो एग्रीकल्चर भी करेंगे, अगर हस्बेंड्री भी करेंगे तो उन लोग के लिए स्पेस चाहिए ना, वैसा ही वेदर, वैसा ही क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस चाहिए जहाँ पे वो लोग रह सकते हैं. तो ऑक्यूपेशंस डिपेंड ऑन जोग्राफिकल एरिया एंड दैट इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर देम. नंबर 6 वी हैव दे यूजुअली स्पीक ऑन देयर own tribal language. They don't understand our language, nor they can speak our language, nor we can understand their language. They have a separate language, as I have repeated. They have a separate language and culture, all the tribal people, and they speak their own tribal language. यहाँ खत्म होते हैं features. I have said 6 features of tribal people. Next we come to the racial classification of tribes. We have certain characteristics of each tribal group ताकि हम पहचान सके कि ये belongs to Mongoloid tribe or this people belongs to Caucasoid tribe. So the 4 racial classification of tribes are: number 1 is Mongoloid, number 2 is Caucasoid, number 3 is Australoid, and number 4 is Negrito. I repeat, number 1 is Mongoloid, number 2 is Caucasoid, number 3 is Australoid, and number 4 is Negrito. So let's come to the first one. Mongoloid tribal people. What features do they have? ठीक है. Number 1 is they have almost square cheekbones, projecting flat nose and narrow nostrils with chin. ठीक है, chin there, what is their chin? Their chin is slightly prominent. ठीक है. Example of this kind of tribe is Niram tribes. Means Mongoloid tribes are found usually in the Mongoloid plateau. Okay. Number 2 is Caucasoid tribes. Now, what are the characteristics features of Caucasoid tribes? Number 1 is they are recognized by thin nasal aperture, small mouth, facial angle of 100 to 90 degree. These tribes live in mountain ranges, foothills, plains, forests of West Asia. Number 3 is Australoid. They are characteristics by dark skin, curly hair, large teeth and jaws. ठीक है. These tribes live in the parts of Southeast Asia. Example क्या है? Melanesians. ठीक है, Australoid का example. Number 4th and the last one we have is Negrito. They are characterized by small size and African-like feature like dark skin and frizzy hair. Then we have dormitories in our scope. So, the definition of dormitories now. Dormitories are a communal living space for the youth of the Indian tribes. This space is meant to help members of the tribes to learn skills like hunting and crafting while also creating community from a young age. Dormitories एक space है जहाँ पे tribal people means tribal youth of the tribes को लिया जाता है. Youth of the tribes को वहाँ पे क्या सिखाया जाता है कि how to hunt and gather, crafting, ये सब काम सिखाया जाता है ताकि वो लोग अपना रोजगार चला सके. They can means they are the youths, right? So when they will grow up, so that they can do something for their family and help them. ठीक है, for their occupation you can say. Now we come to the origin of dormitories. Dormitories का idea कहाँ से आया? In ancient India before the advent of the caste system, people were sectioned in groups called tribes. They were placed in the tribe according to their position in the local group. Tribes में भी divisions होते हैं, तो उस हिसाब से वो लोग को place करा गया. तो each tribe was distinct in dialect culture but had a mutual relationship with neighboring tribe. दो हम बोले थे कि tribal का group अलग होता है. Every tribal group doesn't belongs to the same group. ठीक है, अलग अलग groups होते हैं, tribes के अलग अलग cultures होते हैं. तो दो they had अलग groups, ठीक है, but they were mutual to each other. ये tribal group उसके नेबर ट्राइबल ग्रुप से म्यूचुअल था. वो लोग झगड़ा नहीं करते थे, वो लोग म्यूचुअल थे, म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग थे उन लोग के बीच में. द लास्ट पार्ट विच वी हैव इन अवर स्कोप इज कॉन्टैक्ट ऑफ ट्राइब्स विथ वाइडर सोसाइटी. मतलब today's society, the contact of the tribal people. Assimilation is a process in which one group takes over the culture and identity of another group and becomes a part of the society. The margin of the group thus involves complete elimination of tribes. Okay. मतलब आप लोग ये तो जरूर देखे होंगे कि हमारे कुछ फ्रेंड्स या कुछ पहचान means the people you know, they are scheduled tribe, they belong to the scheduled tribe caste, right? So but they don't survive by hunting or gathering or crafting, right? They do jobs, they do work like us, like similar people, general people. So this is known as assimilation. They have adopted our lifestyle and they live in our society, in today's society. They survive like us. They work hard and survive like us. So this is known as assimilation. मतलब वो लोग हमारा जो लाइफस्टाइल है रोज का वो लोग अडॉप्ट किए. हम लोग का कल्चर, हम लोग का मतलब ऐसा लाइफस्टाइल वो लोग जब अडॉप्ट करते हैं उसको बोलते हैं assimilation. This is known as assimilation. Let me repeat the definition once so that you can relate it. Assimilation is a process in which one group takes over the culture and identity of another group and becomes a part of the society. The margin of the group thus involves complete elimination of tribes. मतलब उन लोग का ये आदत चला जाता है कि hunting और gathering का ये सब वो लोग और नहीं करते. So here we stop today. I have discussed 2 points from our scope. The last point is left to be discussed. That includes the government policies of the upliftment of the tribal people, some rights which government have given to the tribal people. Those I will be discussing in the next video, क्योंकि एक वीडियो में सब कुछ देंगे तो तुम लोग समझ में नहीं पाओगे. So we will be stopping here today. If you have any doubts, any queries, any questions, you can go to the help option. You can comment there. I will be seeing those. I will be trying my best to clarify all your doubts and questions. Okay. Till then, be safe, take care of yourself, and keep learning sociology with me. Thank you. Bye.